So here you can see that I got a bunch of objects in my 3D view. So if I want to export this out into something like a Minecraft world and have a Minecraft-like design, then you can go around over here onto the blocks view right here. If I were to go to blocks, you can see that there's a block version of the same design that you see over here on the 3D view is represented. So by default, the block is at a very low level. So this is at a 1x level, as you can see right here. But if I were to click on 2x, the size of the detail actually increases out, and you can see that it's more detailed right here. If you really want to make it detailed, then you can go 3x all the way, and you can see that this now looks like a Minecraft world right here. And that is how you can generate. And another thing that you can also do is here, you can see some different blocks, and you can change around the color of the blocks as well. For example, there's pumpkin. If you really want to change the color right here, you can choose the color as per what you like as well. So you can go around over here into, let's say, for example, like water. You change around into sponge, and you can see that that is how it actually looks like. So you can change the type of the design over here as well. And that is how you can work around with the block mode inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.